Hello YouTube. This is a Bosch built-in coffee maker, and there is the model number there. It is having issues, and I'm hoping someone out there can help me. You can, let's see if we can video this correct. It will give me hot water and pump. It will steam. But when I go to make a coffee here, it will grind it. It will do its little thing, but nothing comes out of this unit here. And you can hear it's actually letting the pressure go and kicking out the grinds. And it actually dumped it into there. So there is no support for these things anywhere where I live, so anybody on YouTube can help me out. I just changed the valve actually. I thought it was the valve, but now I'm at a loss, so thank you very much.